Hello, beauties, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of multicultural beauty secrets, exploring skincare and makeup tips for achieving radiant skin. Beauty knows no boundaries, and every culture has its own unique rituals and techniques for achieving that coveted glow. So, let's delve deeper into some of these fascinating beauty secrets from around the world. First up, let's talk about the Korean skincare routine, renowned for its multi-step approach to achieving flawless skin. One key step is double cleansing, using an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser to thoroughly remove dirt and impurities. But the Korean skincare routine goes beyond just cleansing. It involves layering lightweight products like essences, serums, and moisturizers to hydrate and nourish the skin. Another Korean beauty staple is the use of sheet masks, infused with potent ingredients like hyaluronic acid and snail mucin, to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. Now, let's travel to India, where Ayurvedic traditions emphasize the importance of inner balance for outer beauty. One popular ingredient is turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. In addition to turmeric, other Ayurvedic ingredients like neem and sandalwood are also valued for their skincare benefits. They help purify the skin and combat acne and blemishes. In Japan, geishas have long relied on the power of rice bran to achieve porcelain-like skin. Rice bran contains enzymes that gently exfoliate the skin, revealing a smoother and more radiant complexion. Japanese skincare also emphasizes the use of lightweight hydrating layers, like toners and essences, to plump and moisturize the skin. Now, let's head to the Middle East, where argan oil has been cherished for centuries for its moisturizing and anti-aging benefits. Rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, argan oil helps nourish the skin and restore its natural glow. In addition to argan oil, other Middle Eastern beauty secrets include ingredients like rose water and camel milk, known for their soothing and hydrating properties. Last but not least, let's not forget about the beauty secrets of indigenous cultures, where ingredients like shea butter and jojoba oil have been used for generations to protect and heal the skin. Whether it's embracing the Korean skincare routine, incorporating Ayurvedic practices, or harnessing the power of natural ingredients, there's a world of beauty wisdom waiting to be explored. Take care, and see you soon.